Greetings to all progressive across the country. I'm talking about those who believe that our economy needs to be transformed and be favorable to all South Africans. Now, the like-minded parties, comrades, the reality of the matter, ukuthi abelungu bakwazile create i-division amongst black parties ne and leyo nto leyo angeke ize isilekelele. So I'm reflecting nje kule event eyayizolo ka Donald Trump ne lapha it was very clear comrade ukuthi i-DA ne-ANC have close ranks ne and bakwazile ukuthi benze sure ukuthi ama-parties acishe ecabange ngokufana, they are divided in South Africa, and leyo nto angeke izisilekelele comrade, the reality of the matter. Ungasho nje ukuthi Malema this, Malema that. If you are saying ukuthi wena uMalema mayikhuluma ngomhlaba uthi awubuye in is speaking our language ne, and we cannot stop advocating for land expropriation without compensation. We cannot stop it. Just because uTrump akakuthandi ne bahamba baya lapha, they can't even explain ukuthi this person was singing about Stradley song and the Constitutional Court have a judgment ukuthi ufree ukuthi engacula kanjeyana. They didn't ne, instead of ukuthi lo mholi we-DA uthi hayi ama parties ay minority. In South Africa there is no majority party. There is no majority party. There is the largest party. So this thing, a division, especially between us, MK and EFF, angeke izisilekelele. Ukuthi EFF yenzani ngeke izisilekelele. Ne? Mina I'm always saying ukuthi we are capable ukuthi EFF and MK, they can grow simultaneously. Ne? Wonke umuntu uyibonele they were singing the song ukuthi we cannot be bullied, but uTrump told ugovernment ukuthi when you come here you must take along ama golfers no Rupert. Andura Ramaphosa wabathatha ikuphi ukubhulisha kade ethi angeke baze bambhulishe. They were able ukuthi bambhulishe, bamdlalela ivideo engekho le yama farmers a-1000 into engekho no. So ngicabanga ukuthi ama comrade abonile ukuthi izwe lidayiswa kanjani. uRupert ngiyayezwa ukuthi bemncoma ukuthi uthe i-crime is across. Yes, ubeqinisile mayethi i-crime is across, and so there is no racial based crime in South Africa. So i-crime nje into ekhona yabona, but ube esekhonga uRupert lapho ukuthi we need alone technology. Shuthi thina sengimele sibe nane no Starlink elento zanene South Africa, so that i-USA gonna have access kuma court wethu, gonna have access kuma police station wethu yabona. We cannot outsource i-technology yethu to ama reactional forces ne. So nje I'm urging ama commander nama fighters ukuthi lento lena isilekelele, ego aside. It's time for us to close the ranks. It's time for us to close the ranks. Upolitika politika there and there yabona, but with us divided izwe lihambile. I-ANC exposed itself ukuthi yona ingaphi. So what they use to fight each other? Ngoba we must unite, go on the ground, we must preach a radical economic shift. Otherwise comrades, izwe lihambile nibonile balidayisile emini ngabha e-USA besibonile sonke kwi-TV. Sibonile sonke. What they use to continue insulting each other, insulting leaders of EFF, insulting leaders of MK? What they use? Kubenefita bani? Because abazo-benefita it's ANC and DA, of which they are not working for a majority of South Africans. Ne. So they are happy with the status quo. To them, the status quo must remain. Everything is fine. There's no genocide in South Africa. Ayikho. So nje ego aside, let us work together, comrade. Not ukuthi mhlawumbe uthi working together ukuthi abantu be-EFF have to vote MK. No. Exist there, will exist there. But in this issue, comrade, we need each other. Otherwise, lihambile. And ngeke liphinde libuye. I can tell you, uRamaphosa is the last president deployed by the ANC. Next time, iHautas will tell them ukuthi imuphi upresident okufanele deploy laphana, and that president will come from the DA or kuzobe kumuntu wamabhizinisi. Thina sobe sikephi? Iko nje aside, comrade.